What if you could turn just $500 into $1 million by doing the opposite of everyone else? This isn't a theory. It's exactly what one man did. He wasn't a genius. He wasn't lucky. He just made one decision most people never consider. Darren was working a normal job. Long hours, low pay, same cycle every week. Like everyone else, he kept thinking, if I just work harder, maybe things will change. They didn't. So one day, he took $500 and did something completely different. Instead of buying stuff, he bought a skill. Not a degree, not a course, a skill he could use right away to help people solve a problem.
For Darren, that skill was writing, copywriting. But it could have been editing, design, or marketing. Anything real that creates value. Darren spent nights studying, watching tutorials, and practicing. Within 30 days, he landed his first client. They paid him $300, then $500, then $1,200, and he never went back. Instead of spending time working for money, he started working to build systems that made money for him. By month 6, Darren had a $10,000 month income. By year 2, he hit $1 million, all from a $500 start. No followers, no fame, just skill and strategy.
Most people don't have a money problem. They have a skill problem. They chase trends, scroll endlessly, waiting for an opportunity to magically land on their lap. Darren didn't wait. Determined Darren. Built.
There's someone out there right now wasting $500 on nothing, and someone else is turning it into the start of a new life.
Who will you be? The one that wastes money away, or
will you use it to start a new life? Subscribe to OpenArc
and start seeing things differently.